Welcome to Guided Calm. Wherever you are, take a few seconds to find a comfortable position. And if you wish, you can close your eyes. Focus on your breath. Now take a deep breath and hold your breath as you count to 4. Then release your breath to the count of 4. Repeat this 2 or 3 times, counting silently in your head as you do so. Now imagine that you're walking in a forest with mountains on either side of you. As you walk, you come across a small, calm mountain lake. The lake is a beautiful blue-green colour. You stop and sit at the edge of the lake. As you sit, you notice fish peacefully swim right below the surface, and you watch birds fly across the cloudless blue sky. You sit in this beautiful scene, enjoying the peace that you feel. And now bring your attention to your breath, to your in-breath and to your out-breath. And bring your attention to how you feel in your body, and to any sounds around you. As you continue your day, you may want to come back to the scene that you created. I hope to see you back here tomorrow.